We made another video, you smart one.
Oh, hello.
Okay.
This is going to be about farting noises.
Yeah, we're doing farting noises, okay? Ready? Here I go.
That one exploded in his pants. Wait, that one was real. No, it wasn't. I'm just joking.
That was a really bad one.
Was one of those real? It sounded like...
None of those are real.
This way, I want to try something. I used to be able to make farting noises with my armpits. Okay.
This is recording this.
I know. Like this arm.
We call her Gassy for short.
Okay, we're gonna stop now. Okay.